I have a cheekbone on this side.
Ooh.
Oh Lord, I look like the ghost of Christmas past. I love highlighters.
I love highlighter. I have to use it every day.
I love highlighters. I feel like I have a naked face without one.
I like bronzer more. I'm like very pale, so the white is like not a great look, but the right highlighter I do use.
I really like super sparkly, high impact highlighters.
I have to use it every day. Even when I don't wear makeup.
Hit them with the highlight, you know?
I love black packaging, like anything sleek I think is so cool.
Can I keep it?
What?
I don't think this is gonna look good on my skin, I'm gonna be honest, but the color is cute.
I hope it's not gray on my face.
Yeah, I just hope it changes color.
Here's my thing about certain colors. Beyonce said it best. This is a different color, but it's still a good analogy. You don't put blue lights on a black girl. This goes with this. You don't put gray on a black girl's face. I don't know if this is gonna work.
It looks like something an alien would highlight with.
But if it does, Popluxe, y'all did your job.
So I'm gonna hold it down.
You can't really tell too much. Got a little bit of like shine.
Oh, it kind of changed that though, huh?
Yeah.
You can see my fingerprint kind of.
Oh, wait.
Oh, do you see anything?
If you tilt it like so.
Oh, I kind of like it.
Oh, I see it on yours like right there. Oh, a little bit, a little.
Ooh, it
Yeah, I
did.
think it did change.
That's like all the color that when you initially pressed it.
Okay.
What's hot?
You're doing that on purpose.
100%. Like it's like very white now.
It matches my lips with this gloss.
It also matches your lids.
I like it more now. I think it's prettier now.
So we're gonna put this on and see if the cold makes it react any differently.
Mine's not turning, but probably because it's not a burrito shape, so.
Don't think that the color has changed in the pan at all, but I'm not willing to commit to sticking a frozen burrito on my face.
Let me press it more. You got it to work.
It's gone.
Nothing.
Wow, this is crazy.
At the tips of the white brush, you can't really see the product. That's really not a good color for me.
I'm scared to finish.
Hey, you can kind of see it. Do you see it?
Ooh, yeah, yours looks good.
Oh Lord, I look like the ghost of Christmas past.
Oh, I have a cheekbone on this side.
Oh,
This is a look. Oh my gosh.
definitely.
Oh, I really like it on the eyebrow.
I thought it was bad on me.
I told you! Oh, wait, yours looks really good. Maybe I'm just bad at applying it.
Let's see. Let's
I like
switch
your brush.
brushes.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's a difference.
Okay, maybe that was the issue, is that we didn't apply gently. I think I went
Oh, I
full force.
definitely tapped this. I was like, pop.
It's like a mood ring, kind of,
Yeah,
but for your face.
It is.
As I'm like blending it in, I don't hate it.
I'm really surprised right now.
I know, me
I'm
too.
shook.
I didn't hate it for like the inner corners of the eye, the cupid's bow.
I do like it, but again, not every day.
Yeah,
Just
not every
special
day.
occasions.
But the color is pretty for the right person.
I do like it. I do think because I'm lighter that it showed up a bit more like periwinkle color.
Glow that this Popluxe gave me was ash.
And it is very illuminating, and it's a nice look.
Product has good pigment. Like I didn't have to pick up too much with my brush.
5 stars.
5 stars.
I would recommend this to somebody who is like very pale or somebody who's trying out like fun looks.
Just 2 thumbs up. Good body makeup too.
Yeah.
Can't get over it.